How to use Google Drive as a free cloud storage solution. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Drive as a free cloud storage solution. With a 15 GB of free space, you can store and manage all your files securely in the cloud. So let's just dive right in. First thing first, if you do not have a Google account, head over to accounts.google.com and create an account. This can give you access to Google Drive. You can either go to drive.google.com or you could just open it on your Android by clicking on the Drive icon. The home page shows the main dashboard from where you can access all of your files. Google Drive offers 15 GB of free storage, and this space is shared across Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. You can store it to store documents, images, videos, and more. First of all, tap on the plus icon to create a new folder, upload a file, or you could store anything in this drive. You can also drag and drop files directly from your computer into your drive interface for the quick upload. Keeping your drive organized is also simple. You can set up different types of folders, manage access to it. In order to manage access, you can either click on the share button and give the email address of those people that you want to add the access to. Alternatively, you can also get a link to share or create a shareable link that you want to send to anyone. One of the best things of Google Drive is that you can access your files from anywhere. Download the Google Drive app on your mobile devices or use any web browser to log in. To free up the space, make sure to delete files you no longer need and remember to empty the trash to permanently remove them. Google Drive isn't just for storage. You can create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations directly within Drive using the Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. And this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.